everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing Your Paper Insider Box 14. This is a quarterly subscription, so you receive 4 boxes a year, and each is filled with paper inspiration. Every box includes at least 20 different letter-sized papers sourced from around the world, many of which are unique and hard to find. I'll be going through the box paper by paper and sharing which paper is which as we unbox them. Let's get started. Before we get to the paper, there are a couple of goodies on the outside, including this buttered rum milk scented recipe card. It actually smells quite nice. And then there's this package of what looks to be A2 size white card fronts. Now for the fun goodies. I'm just going to tear apart this tissue paper, and every box I've gotten has come wrapped in this nice tissue. It's very well packaged. And inside, you're going to find this paper pack, and the whole pack is nicely wrapped in plastic. So I have now taken off the plastic and opened the package, and the very front is this spoiler card. So the front shows a few of the items as spoilers, and then the back of the paper lists every paper that you will receive in this box with their thickness as well as the sizes of the paper. So I checked this spoiler sheet to figure out what these card fronts were, and I did confirm they are card fronts, but they're actually watercolor paper. Now I'm just going to open this package and see how many there are. So feeling them, they are a nice texture and they are decently thick. And you get a total of 10. Which is actually quite a bit for this little package of paper. So I'm excited to use these. Starting with the paper now. This first one is Royal Blue Foil Board, and you can tell that it is very shiny. And the paper is 12-point thickness. Next sheet is a sapphire color plan cardstock, and it is 100 pounds. And this is baby blue tie in Ryu. If you've never used on Ryu, you can see all the different fibers inside. Continuing on with another blue piece of paper is Blue Moon Cocktail. And you can see that this is a lovely shimmer paper. And I love shimmer papers because you don't have to worry about getting any of the glitter on you. And that is 290 GSM. This paper that looks black on my screen is actually a dark blue curious skin, and it's 91 pounds. I love the pattern on this, and this is white hemp flower tissue. This pattern is just absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to figure out what I'm going to make with it. This colorful paper is Party Confetti Chunky Glitter. It's actually a returning favorite, so it's been in a previous box. I did rub my fingers on this to see if it shed any, and I did not notice it. It is very thick and full of tons of sparkles. This is another tie and Ryu paper, and this time in color magenta. And again, you can see all the fibers. This is non-shed glitter paper in color magenta. It's 300 GSM. One of my favorite things about this paper box is the fact that a lot of their glitter paper is non-shed. Now this is some Spellbinders color wheel paper in color Dahlia, 100 pounds, and I actually really like the Spellbinders color wheel paper. They come in really nice colors, especially this one. Here's another non-shed glitter in color light pink, 300 GSM. And like I said, they give a lot of non-shed glitter paper. This is Dusty Rose Yuzenshi Chiyogami paper, and it is absolutely beautiful. It's even got a little bit of gold foil that you can see the camera just picked up, and I think this might be my favorite paper so far. We have Opal Oyster Pearl Gloss Shimmer paper. Again, another beautiful shimmer paper if you like paper that doesn't shed or have glitter on it. If you like using vellum, then maybe this colorful version lemon yellow is for you. This is called Silver Holographic Diamonds. It is 12 point and has a nice, interesting pattern that I like. This is called Environment Honeycomb. This paper has a rough and raw feel to it, so definitely must be made out of recycled material. This is another vellum. It's called Glamma Natural Clear. As you can see, it's just a little bit frosty. Now this paper, Touche Saffron, is a different kind of paper. It has a uniquely smooth matte finish, and it's definitely a different texture. Now this is a brush bright gold double-sided paper, and I love it. There was actually a red version in the box number 13. This is another Color Wheel Spellbinders paper in color beeswax, again 100 pounds. This is light blue via felt stationery. It is a thinner paper, but I think it would be perfect for writing letters, actually. There are only a handful of papers left, including this violet mirror foil. Again, very shiny, so much so you could definitely see reflections in it. This is the fourth piece of vellum in this package, and it is Wisteria Purple. I actually kind of like the purple color. Ooh, I love this. This is another shimmer paper in Violet Curious Metallics. I am definitely a huge fan of metallic paper. This paper has a nice, interesting design. It's called Glossy Gray Beam. And as you can see, it's striped, and it definitely has the texture of the stripes. And this is the final paper. It is Ultra White Smooth Cardstock. This is a returning favorite, and it's definitely been in the box before. Now that I've unboxed all of the papers, I can definitely tell you that this Dusty Rose paper, as well as the White Hemp Flower paper, are my two favorites from this box. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please like this video and subscribe for more videos. I've also included a link in the description if you'd like to check out this subscription for yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!